question number 3, right? Exercise 4.3. Once again, the question is add. So what are the two rational numbers that we have to add? 2 by 5 and 4 by 3. So you can see the plus is here because it is addition, right? Now if you look at the denominators, you can see that they are different, right? Not like in question number 7 where the denominators were equal, right? So once the denominators are not equal, we have to find the LCM, right? So LCM of 5 and 3. So if I write down here 5 and 3, so you'll see that we'll just have 5 ones are 5. 5 cannot multiply or divide 3, and then 3 ones are, which means our LCM is 15, right? 5 into 3, 15. Okay, once we're done with the, as you can see, I have written the LCM. What is my first numerator? 2, right? So I have written 2 here. Then 5, how many times are 15? 5 3s are 15. Now next I have plus, so I've written down the plus. What is my next numerator? 4, right? So I've written 4 here. Now if you look at the denominator, 3, right? 3, how many times are 15? 3 5s are 15. Okay, so if we're done with that, we just have to multiply. So 2 3s are, I'll get 6. Then 4 5s are 20, right? And because they are both plus, I just have to add them again. So 6 plus 20, I'll get 26 by 15. All right, now let's look at B again. So you notice that here, remember that the denominator is 1, okay, when they don't give. So once again, we're supposed to add, and if you look at the denominators, they're different. One is for 5 it is 1, and then for 1 it is 3, right? So we have to find the LCM again of 1 and 3. So 1 1s are 1, 3, and then 3 1s are 3 1s are 3. Okay, which means my LCM will simply be 3. Alright, if you're done with that, you can see that I've written the LCM. What is my first numerator? 5, right? So I've written down 5. Like I said, remember, 1 is here, okay? 1, how many times are 3? 1 3s are 3. My next numerator is 1, right? So I've written 1 here. 3, how many times are 3? So 3 1s are 3, okay? If you're done with that, 5 3s are, when I multiply, I'll get 15. 1 1s are 1, right? Then I can see the both are plus again, so 15 plus 1 will give me 16, and my answer will be 16 by 3. Alright, C again, same thing, right? Add. So this plus is there because of the equation, right? So once again, like I said, when there are two signs, we should only try to keep one, right? So plus into minus, I'll get here minus. Alright, now once again the denominators are different, right? Which means I have to find the LCM. So 7 and 5, then I'll just say 7 1s are 7 and 5 1s are 5, which means my LCM will be 7 5s are 35. Okay, so I've already written here. What's my first numerator? 2, right? So I've written 2. 7, how many times are 35? 7 5s are 35. What is my next numerator? Remember, you have to take it along with the sign, right? Minus 4. So I've written minus 4. And 5, how many times are 35? 5 7s are 35. Okay, if you're done with that, let's multiply now. 2 5s are 10, right? Then 4 7s are 28. All right, if you look here, that you can see that minus 28 is bigger than 10, which means we'll subtract them, but my sign will remain. Okay, so 10 minus 28, I'll get minus 18 by 35. Alright, same thing again, we're supposed to add, so you can see the symbol here, right? Once again, if you look at the denominators, they are both different, which means I have to find the LCM of 7 and 9, right? So once again, 7 1s are 7, then 9 1s are 9, which means my LCM is 7 9s are 63, right? So I've already written here. What is my first numerator? Minus 6, so I've written here, right? And 7, how many times are 63? 7 9s are 63. What is my next number? Plus 4, right? So I've written plus 4. 9, how many times are 63? 9 7s are 63. All right, now 6 9s are 54, but remember the minus sign is there, right? So minus 54. 4 7s are 28. Okay, once again you can see the minus is bigger than plus, which means my answer will be in minus, right? So subtract both of them. Minus 54 plus 28, I'll get minus 26 by 63. Alright, now you can see that they both have minus, right? But because this is addition, add, the sign is here. Alright, like I said, there cannot be two signs like this, so try to keep only one sign. So plus into minus, I'll get here minus. Alright, and if you look at the denominators again, they are both different, right? So I have to find the LCM of 8 and 4. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Then again, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, and then 2 1 1, right? Which means I have 3 2, right? So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. My LCM is 8. Okay, what is my first numerator? Minus 9, so I've written minus 9. 8, how many times are 8? 8 1s are 8. Next you have to take it along with the sign, right? So minus 3, I've written here. 4, how many times are 8? 4 2s are 8. So now I have to multiply. 9 ones are 9, but remember the minus sign is there, right? So minus 9. Same thing again. 3 twos are 6, but my minus sign is there, right? You can see that both minus 9, minus 6, they have the same sign, minus, right? Which means I have to add them, but my sign will be minus. So minus 9 minus 6 will give me minus 15, all right? Okay, this will be the last. If you notice, you will see that the minus are in the denominator. Okay, so whenever it is like that, bring it up in the numerator. You can see here, right? Minus 2 and then minus 12. Bring the minus up in the numerator. Okay, once again there are two signs here, plus into minus, minus. All right, again we have to find the LCM because the denominators are different, right? So 3 5, then 3 ones are 3, can't do anything to 5, then 5 ones are, that means my LCM is 3 5s are 15. Okay, so I've written here my first numerator is minus 2, right? So I've written minus 2. 3, how many times are 15? 3 5s are 15. Next, my numerator is minus 12, so I've written minus 12. Then 5, how many times are 15? 5 3s are 15. Now we just have to multiply, right? 2 5s are 10, but because of the minus sign, minus 10. Okay, same thing for your second. 12 3s are 36, but minus is there, right? So minus 36. Once again, both the numbers are negative, right? Minus 10 minus 36, so I have to add them, but my sign will be minus. So when you add minus 10 and minus 36, I'll get minus 46. All right, so our answer will be minus 46 by 15.